Two boys kiss and it's not the end of the world. It just changed. That line drew applause and reflection from audiences as 𝗏𝗏 the musical returned to Cebu stage Saturday night, June 13 at SM Seaside Cebu. But beyond the romance and music, many who watch say the production is helping spark conversations about HIV, acceptance, and realities that remain misunderstood by many Filipinos. For nearly 2 hours, the audience laughed, cried, and at times fell silent. But when the curtains closed on 𝗏𝗏 the musical, what lingered was not just a story of timid Tim and his search for love. It was the challenge to see people beyond labels, beyond fear, and beyond stigma. For social media influencer Christian Ceniza, the musical struck a deeply personal chord. Having previously worked with HIV-related programs, Ceniza said the stories portrayed on stage reflected lived realities.
Relatable and very important. Di siya pwede mawala because it's a mix of art, at the same time educational, and
Ceniza believes production like this remain necessary, especially for younger audiences. For actor Paul Pablo, who portrayed timid Tim, the production became more than fulfilling a childhood dream of performing in theater. He said the role evolved into a reminder that stories of love and acceptance belong to everyone.
We're here for each other, and I hope that ma-break na to ang stigma through standing up for each other.
The message of acceptance was echoed by cast member Maverick Niñeza, who played Witching R. For him, spreading your wings or showing who you are starts at home.
Home for me is not just like the place, the house itself. Home is the people who you love, people who accepts you with just who you are.
Behind the production is director Jude Gitamundo, who revealed that some of the musical's most emotional moments were inspired by his own experiences.
Very personal, but I think it's also a story that a lot of people can relate to, and I think it's time that we tell that story as well. There are not just victories, but there are also pain and hurt in the story of the LGBTQ community, and we need to represent that as well.
Despite criticism over the years, Gitamundo said the team's commitment to the advocacy remains unchanged. He shared their team will be traveling to Manila to hook up with investors and producers who can bring the show wider.
Because we need to bring more people to our side and to make more people understand the plight of, especially those people living with HIV. We should be on their side, and that's why we're dedicating this to them.
For first-time audience member Francis Jake Tapales, the performance served as both entertainment and a lesson.
And also, always keep your self-check, be safe always, and always remember as well that your health is your responsibility.
As the curtains closed, the conversations continued. Beyond the songs and the story, the production left many audience members reflecting on acceptance, HIV awareness, and the importance of looking beyond stereotypes. This has been Mark Irmas for MyTV Cebu.